Most of you have asked me how to remain happy, how to be happy always. Well, it's quite tricky. Uh, it is easy to say, but difficult to implement at times. At the same time, we must try, isn't it? To be happy is just stop expecting things. Don't have any expectations from anyone, and this will keep you happy every time, whether the things that are happening are in your favor or they are not in favor. So please remember, no expectations from anyone. If you want to give something, give, but don't expect anything in return. If you want to help someone, help, but don't expect that person to help you. Got it? So have no expectations and you will always be happy. Enjoy rest of the day.